Neon Makine is a company that has realized great ideas since 1983, carries out production in accordance with standards thanks to its high-tech facilities, and continues to grow and develops. It is leader of the manufacturing sector and a reliable solution partner for customers with its long years of experience. In its modern manufacture facility established on 10,000 meters square outdoor, 6,000 meters square indoor area in İzmir, Çiğli Atatürk Organized Industrial Site. Neon Makine carries out special gearbox manufacture, gear design, and manufacture mainly for defense industry and heavy and agricultural machinery, and makes contribution to the economy of the country by exporting most of its products. Neon Makine will continue to follow cutting-edge technology with its corporate values and expert personnel and to provide service in that way. Years of the sector will work thanks to Neon Makine.